lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Gnomes take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hi Fire Signs! Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for November the 15th to November the 21st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto nyo po sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. Don't forget not to also check the readings there. Pero kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung ating live sessions, dun po kasi tayo nagla-live sessions, that is Babaylan TV, no? Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Alright? So, kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no, di ba? Pero kung hindi kayo papatulugin, pwede kayong dumiretso na dun sa ating link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website, no? Nandun po yung amount per question, the name, the number for your reference, no? I also created a 4 questions plus 1. So, check nyo lang po yung QR codes. And also, if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So, fire signs, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. Fire signs. So, bakit meron ditong aamin? Meron ditong magsasalita na, whether this is something really positive or negative, for someone to receive, no? It could be you, it could be your person, no? Yung isa dito magsasalita na, whether this is, one thing's for sure, this is truly pag-amin of sa aking totoong nararamdaman or what's really going on in this relationship, no? So parang inaantay lang yung tamang panahon, inaantay lang yung tamang sabihin natin divine timing nga, no? Para sabihin natin i-express itong aking nararamdaman. So parang tinago ito ng matagal na panahon. If I will be this person, no? Kung ilalagay ko yung sarili ko dito sa sitwasyon na ito at ako yung binabasahan ko, I feel like kung ano man itong gusto kong sabihin, may express ko ito ng malinaw, buong buo, galing sa puso, no? Klaro dahil, kumbaga, wala akong iiwan na tanong, wala akong iiwan na what if, no? Kumbaga, aantayin ko na lang yung magiging reaction, no? Ng taong pinagsabihan. Again, this could be you, this could be your person. You may reverse the roles or, the positioning. What I am reading here is the dynamic, no? So, yung dynamic ang binabasa natin dito. So, parang sabihin natin dito na noon ko pa ito nararamdaman, noon ko pa gustong sabihin, no, wala lang akong lakas ng loob, wala lang akong probably oras, no, noong mga panahong iyon, but I feel like the universe is giving me these signs, no, para magsalita na, para umamin na. What I truly wanted in here is to also get an answer, no, or clarity, no, sa aking sinasabihan, no. There are actually, with the patience and plannings in here, there's actually 2 pillars. Yan. So the two pillars represent no the yes, no, oo, hindi. Yes, no, oo, hindi. Same. Yes, no, in and out, black and white, no. So the contrast of it. But I feel like with the light figures in here supersede itong dim, no, yung dim pillars. So I feel like there is really some sort of enlightenment. No, it could be an enlightenment for the both of you. Yeah, it is really an enlightenment for the both of you, which actually the heart chakra here signifies, yung puso ko, yung parang mag-e-emit ng sobrang saya, ng warmth, no? So I feel like with the victory and success, this is definitely something really positive for that someone who's going to express. Now, bakit ko nasabi na kung victory and success pala, how about dun sa person na makaka-receive? No, ang binabasahan ko dito is yung tao magsasabi. So, this means positive for them, but it may also feel like negative for that someone who's going to receive. Now, medyo suspense itong reading na ito. But we need to check if this is really something, also a win-win situation, no, for the both of you, or it's just a one-sided. No, with the moon card, I love the moon card. I feel like there's actually a lot of questions in here. Um, the moon card actually represents itong mga tanong. Itong mga, kaya nga sinabi ko kanina, di ba? Itong mga sinasabi nating katanungan. Para kasing itong mga confusions, no? Secrets. So someone here is probably about to reveal something. Um, someone here is about, kasi kung makikita mo itong moon card, madalas din meron ditong away, no? Moon card represents there's actually two dogs in here. So same species, no? But they cannot understand each other, no? So parang this situation might be a bit of, paano ko ba sasabihin? Pwedeng nagkakalabuan, pwedeng itong situationship na ito may also apply to those who are in there's actually no labels, no, yon. Siguro meron na ditong pag-amin, no. Although sabi nito, alam ko naman kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. I just need to hear it, no. Kumbaga, things are obvious. My person actually showing me what they truly feel about me. But the thing is, gusto ko sana na marinig. So I feel like yung receiver, no, nitong balita or pag-amin really want to hear verbally, no, sasabihin sa akin itong secrets, itong pag-amin, itong gustong sabihin, no? Whether it is conscious or subconscious. So meron din ditong tao na parang nag-o-observe. So pinapakinggan ko lahat ng sinasabi niya, no, whether this is you or your person. Again, parang hinuhuli ko siya, no, yung mga maliliit na bagay na namumutawi sa kanyang labi, no. Parang ina-analyze kong mabuti. This also signifies probably anxiety, overthinking, no, the moon card, kasi sa dami ng tanong, you jump into the rabbit hole, and I feel like things really goes deeper and further, no, doon sa pwedeng ang situation lang is in the surface, but you really deep dive into the core, which is hindi naman siya ganun kalalim, which is hindi naman dapat ganun siya pinag-aalala masyado. However, because of this deep diving, no, um, I feel like there is some sort of like a water sign in here, no, especially Pisces. The Magician, ayan na nga tayo, and the Knave of Coins. I feel like siguro ang sinasabi dito ng energy, hinay-hinay lang sa pag-overthink, no? Or hinay-hinay lang sa pag-think because things are becoming over. That's why it's becoming more overthinking. And things are rooted into, parang nagsanga-sanga yung mga pwedeng mangyari. I feel like positive kasi ang nangyayari dito because of the two pillars, it felt like someone here feels really negative, but then again, what's about to happen is positive. So, hindi pa man siya nangyayari, binigyan mo na ng problema yung sarili mo. I feel like this has something to do with the recent full moon, no? Or this beaver moon. The beaver moon actually baka nga masyado tayong galit, masyado tayong lonely. At the moment, meron tayong mga, you have to work on this. I feel like meron tayong mga anxieties right now, especially the burdens. No, wala naman tayong, if you're gonna look at it in a different perspective, no, I feel like you need to get out of the comfort zone and probably look at it in a different way. Kasi ang masyado nating iniisip dito, the burden, no? And we are being stuck up in the burden na parang feeling natin, paano ko makakawala? Kasi ang lagi mong iniisip, the problem. And kapag lagi yun yung iniisip mo, magsasanga siya or manganganak siya ng another problem. Why not think of a solution? Or if not, kasi sometimes what we are thinking in here are sobrang layo na nga, katulad ng sinabi ko. You went further into the rabbit hole wherein hindi naman talaga yun. So, parang it's a waste of time kung gagawa tayo ng isang solusyon sa isang problema na hindi pa nangyayari at hindi naman mangyayari. So, we cannot turn back the hands of time na ginugol natin, no? Doon sa isang araw na dumaan na wala namang nangyari. Sa isang araw na wala namang pinatunguhan, di ba? With the Two of Wands. I love the Two of Wands because, and the Tower. The Tower signifies clarifies by the Ten of Cups and the Queen of Swords. Siguro masyado lang tayong perfectionist, no? Siguro masyado lang tayong, we want everything to happen doon sa gusto nating mangyari, ini-envision natin. I feel like itong situation na to going out of our hands, no? Kasi parang the ball is not on our court, but the ball is on our opponent or probably the person's, our person's court na wala tayong say for now. And that's probably doon tayo naiinis, no? Kasi sa ibang situation, kaya kong gawa ng paraan. Kaya kong lumabas sa ganitong sitwasyon, kaya kong umalis sa ganitong situation. So, sa isang sitwasyon, without the help of others, no? So, parang I'm too much independent and I am not used to, no? Parang itataya or nakasalalay sa ibang tao yung buhay ko, no? With the Ace of Coins and the Sun, actually things are really positive, and the Wheel of Fortune, no? Whether it is money, whether it is or wealth or finances, no? Or something that is within our family or our person with the Sun, no? Our relationship. I feel like what we are expecting is the mere fact that things are positive. I feel like ikaw tong si perfectionist, no, na ginugulo mo yung sarili mong utak, ginugulo mo yung sitwasyon, probably, meron pang nakikialam tayo sa will, no, ng universe, sa takbo ng sitwasyon, wherein we just have to wait and, make it all come to fruition. However, kasi nga tayo, medyo makulit, matigas ang ulo, at hindi sanay na iba yung nagpapatakbo. Instead of mabilis sana itong pag-receive natin ng result, gumugulo siya ng gumugulo dahil sa pangingialam natin, no? Actually, that's very fire sign traits, 'di ba? Mainipin, especially Aries, no? Mainipin, hindi ko kayang mag-antay. But I think we should, our takeaways here is instead of uriratin natin, no? Buo naman siya. Adik, no? It's a joke, no? It's a satire na bakit mo sisirain ang isang gawa, no? Adik ka ba? I feel like that's something we can, sabi nating add up into this, to lighten up the situation. Walang sira, no? Wag mong gawin ang isang bagay na sira. Probably katulad ng isang makina, no? Kailangan lang nating paandarin, no, para magkaroon siya ng momentum. Yun, no? And things are going to, fall into places, no? Parang painitin lang natin yung makina. Wag na nating buksan, wag na nating uriratin, no? Masyado tayong sobrang perfectionist dito. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, no? I'm seeing Taurus, Sagittarius, Pisces, Leo, Scorpio, Cancer, Virgo. Yeah. So, yeah, this is your reading of fire signs. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, kung gusto nyo pong, kung hindi kayo papatulugan, no, ng ating yes or no question, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. So, fire signs, dumiretso kayo dun sa ating description box. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Sa website po na yon, nandun po yung how much per question, the name, the number for your reference, nandun din po yung QR codes, no? I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Hanapin nyo na lang po. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, fire signs.
You want